integrating Flat Rate Now and ServiceM8. In this video, we show you how to use Flat Rate Now to create work orders for ServiceM8 jobs. Create a new job using the ServiceM8 dashboard or on the ServiceM8 app on your smartphone. In ServiceM8, add a customer to the job. Please ensure the job status is set to quote. You can use any notes inside the job to help your plumber when they get to the customer premises. Save the job. When you assign the job to one of your plumbers, the job is written into Flat Rate Now. The plumber can find a job in their Flat Rate Now job list and create a quote for the job. To do this, select a task to add to the quote. In this example, we are selling an indoor medium-sized gas storage heater. Choose the brand of the water heater you want to sell and add any associated tasks. For example, a safe tray and a safe tray drain. Next, choose a pricing tier for the tasks you have selected. Add the tasks to the quote. In this example, you will also need to choose the safe tray size before a price can be generated. Now you can modify the prices to close the deal if necessary. In this instance, we are offering the safe tray drain to the customer for free if they agree to buy the water heater. If the customer accepts the quote, ask them for a signature and the work order is generated. The work order is sent back to the ServiceM8 and the job is updated. Note, the ServiceM8 job now has a status of work order. You can find the details of the ServiceM8 work order by looking in the Quoting and Invoicing tab inside the job record. It is here that you can edit the job and produce the invoice for the customer before accepting payment.